Hello, everybody. Come on in. Welcome to Caldera Creative Creations. Today we are making it easy to make beautiful Easter week wreath. We are working with a 24-inch wired wreath. We are working with some beautiful purple flowers. We also got these white geraniums. We also got some of these greenery. So I thought were so neat. And look at, they got like purple. We also got a little bit of these. Couple. And we got these purple Easter eggs, which are just painted. We got these little florals. We got our scissors, our wire cutters, and we also got this little ornament, which I put a ribbon on. We're going to attach to here. And we got some glittery ribbon. Okay, with that said, let's get this rolling. Okay, how's everybody doing today? Let's get that smile on. I am happy to be here. Okay, enough of that, and let's go. We are going to put this here, but yes, I am happy to be here. We're going to put this on right here, buddy. We're going to attach this. We're going to put that down in there. Look at that. Wow. Okay. We're going to get this greenery. This one first. And we are just going to attach this all around down around the reef. I'm just going to put it all around this reef. Attach it. Like always I say, I love to use this reef. This greenery is so easy to work with. Attach a lot of different things. Just simple. Here we go. Wow. We got that. Bam. Ay, look at. With some of these, I always have my scissors on handy. There we go. Look at that. Let's get these on down. Right there. We got another one. Right here. There we go. Now, we're going to get these beauties up. Look at this. They're so gorgeous. Okay, let me get some of this right in here. Ay. This one has more right in here. Look at how beautiful. Then they have a little bit of green where we could attach it like that. Look at that. Look at the purple within it. Wow, look at that. Okay, then we're going to get some more up in here. Attach that like that. Simple. Look at that. Then this, we're going to get some more down here. Everybody see that good? Attach that right here. Look at that. Wow. There. Then we're going to get some more up here. Look at how easy we're doing to making this. So working with your greenery and stepping back and visualizing, and wow. You just come out with the beauty. Be creative. And have fun. There we go. Look at that. Bam. Look at that. Bam. Let's see where we can get some dramatic going. I think up here. Let's see. Let's get some more right here. We're going to get some right in there. Yeah. Okay, then right here, we're going to get some more right in there. Look. Hey, look at that. Okay, we're going to have a ribbon here. This is going to go right here. Okay, look at that. Got room for him right there. Look at that. Hey, I forgot we're going to do this ribbon. We're going to do our loops. Let's just make a small little, like 6-7 inch tail. Then we're going to do one loop. A little small loop, like 12. Get that in there. And then we're just going to pop that in here. What? Look at, grab some of your greenery. And just twist it on there. And there it is, everybody. Look. How simple. Let's cut some of this piece off right here. There. Okay, we got that. Now we're going to come down this way. And I think I made them a little bigger, no? We're going to make 2 more loops. One. Like a little bit. So you can have a room right there. One. And twist. And then, bam, look at. We got another one going. Then we're going to get some of this greenery. What? Grab some of this greenery and attach it. There we go. Look at that. Bam. Look at that. Let's puff it up and there you got it. Then we're just going to have this hang down like this. And we're going to attach them right here. And we got that going on right in there, and just pin it in. Look at that. We got our beautiful bow going. Now we got our carrots down here. Make sure this is all in there. Got our carrots going. Okay, now let's get down with our florals. I just love these beauties. They're so beautiful. These pretty. Yeah, we're just gonna get these all around in here. Look at that. Wow. Purple. I've been wanting to do something purple with the purple, you know. Just really getting into these Easter wreaths, you know. I'm getting the Easter spirit. Hey. Okay. Hey. Now we're going to get some more. Let me see. I think we're going to get some more right here. Bounce them out right here. And we're going to get these beauties up in here. Let's get these, some up in here. Get purple up in there. Go get some more purple over these beauties. Where can we get this one right here? See how easy this was to make, everybody? You know what? I think I'm going to take one of you guys over here. Get you in here. This beauty. Wait. And get you. Wait. Let's get some of this. Take this right here. We're going to have one up there. So I think we're going to put one over here too. There. How's that looking? Now this one. Where do you think this could go? Up here too? Let's see. How's that? Wow. We got it right there. Look at it, buddy. Okay. Now we're going to get down. Where's our geranium? Let's get these geraniums in here. Yeah, yeah. Come on, geranium. You're holding up the show, okay? Right there. I think we're gonna get another one in here. Wait. This one. Yeah, yeah. There, look at that. Wow. Okay, we need some more. Here. Right there. There we go. Okay. Get some right up in here. Get this. Lift these up and what we got going on down in there. Yeah. And one right here. Let's put this guy here. Okay, we got that right there. Look at that. How beautiful. And we got our, excuse me, our eggs going on. Beautiful eggs. I decided I want some purple eggs. I think that would look so nice. I couldn't find some. So I got my eggs that I had from, excuse me, I've been having a little cough from the famous 99-cent store, and I thought I'm just going to dip them in some paint. And I came out with this. How lovely they came out too. Hi. Okay, where's this one going to go? Let me see. I think this is going to come over here. There we go. These are going to come up in here. Look at that. I'm going to get some more. Get this little guy right up in here. Hey. Go get one more up here. Let's see. Right there. Look at that. Okay, now we're going to get some of these little. Look at this. The little white florals. Let's get some more. There's none. Here we go. Let's see. Some right there. And let's get some down in here. There. I think I'm going to trade places with you. You're going to come over here. There. And it's going to go in here. And it's going to go in here. Look at that, everybody. And I think we got it. Wow. Let me put this up so we could see what we made today, everybody. Hey. Got these little beautiful little carrots. Got a ribbon going. Let me see. Let me turn this around for everybody. Wow, how gorgeous, how gorgeous. There we go. Beautiful. Look at that, everybody. And how gorgeous is that? The beautiful different varieties of florals and Easter eggs and ribbons. It came out beautiful, didn't it? Once again, everybody, I appreciate you coming to my channel. I hope you got some ideas or inspiration. Till the next video, I think I have like one more, and I'm working on autism awareness, so I'll be getting one of those. Until then, have a great day and like and share. And if you enjoyed, consider subscribing. You will help my channel grow, and you will get notified of my upcoming videos. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Until the next one. See ya. Wow.